Welcome back to my channel. This is Melanie Ferguson and I am going to show you guys today how to make this super simple Easter bunny banner with just a few Dollar Tree supplies. So tune in and watch as we take just a couple of things and turn them into some beautiful neutral black and white Easter bunny decor. You'll just need these little wooden bunny cutouts and the toile contact paper, as well as the Sola wood flowers and some craft paint from the Dollar Tree to create this easy project. So I just took a couple of colors of craft paint and added them to some water. Now I did learn here that I diluted it a little too much, so when you make yours, just use a lot less water. And then I took the Sola wood flowers that you can find at your local Dollar Tree now, and I floated them flower side down in my little bowls of watered down acrylic paint. I'm trying to get them stained and colored a little bit so that they can be used as bunny tails for this super cute project. Now, I went with brown and black, but I'll show you in the end how they actually turned out for me. Now, this water staining method is a great idea, but again, like I said, I diluted it a little too much for this project, and I would recommend using a lot less water or actually just painting the Sola wood flowers. Now, I did let these sit in the water solutions for about 30 minutes each to try to get the desired color effect that I was looking for. But as you can see, it doesn't take long for them to turn a little bit of color, but not quite all the way, depending on, again, the shade that you're looking for. Then I took these little wooden bunny cutouts. They are so adorable. They come in a pack of, I believe, 8 or so from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use 6 for this project. I grabbed one of them to use as a template to trace out the bunny shapes onto the 12 contact paper, also from the Dollar Tree. Now the contact paper came in 2 different colors, so I did this for both colors. And to make it easy, I just kind of folded them all at once to cut out the pattern once for all 3 bunnies. So this bunny shape is so cute, and I love how easy it is to just peel and stick this contact paper onto the wooden bunny cutouts. At this point, I checked on my little wood Sola flowers and decided that I still wasn't pleased with the color that they were. So I took a couple of sheets of paper towels and got ready to tackle these wood Sola flowers. So I took them out of their water baths and kind of dabbed them dry a little bit and faced them upright on my pieces of paper towel. And what I decided was the black ones, which actually ended up turning taupe, were the perfect color, and the tan ones were not. So I added them to the black, hoping that that would work, and it still wasn't enough. So I made a little palette of black craft paint and went to town painting the wood Sola flowers by hand. This gave me the actual end effect that I was looking for, which were actual black bunny tails. So be sure, again, like I said, to learn from my lesson and not over dilute your paints when you are giving them their little water baths. Once I had them the color that I was happy with, I went ahead and took my heat gun and dried all the solo wood flowers, being really careful not to get them too hot so they didn't shrink up or try to break on me, but just enough to dry all of the stain and all of the paint. Now I transferred them to a clean piece of paper towel and proceeded to use hot glue to adhere the bunnies to the burlap sacks, as well as the little wood sola flower tails to the bunny cutouts. This was so cute, and I loved seeing it all come together. Aren't they adorable? So these little burlap sacks I happen to already have in my craft stash, but you can grab some burlap scraps at the Dollar Tree. You can use the burlap banners that the Dollar Tree sells as well in packets, and just adhere your little bunnies to those. But this was so easy to put together, and I loved the result. Once all the little bunnies were attached to their sacks, I added a buffalo check ribbon. I decided to slant the ends and thread them through all of the strings at the top of the burlap bags. This wasn't enough to really secure them in place, so ultimately I ended up using a little hot glue at the top of each of the bags to secure them, as well as embellished the entire banner with some tied knot little bow strands between each and every little sack. This little bunny banner turned out so stinking adorable. Look at how it shines on my mantle. I love how the contrast between the black and the taupe is just such a neutral farmhouse look for Easter decor. The buffalo check ribbon was the perfect addition for in between each and every bunny bag, and I just think it's adorable. What do you think? I hope you love it and you'll try one for your own. I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell if you are interested in seeing more fun and easy, affordable DIYs just like this one if you are trying to be creative on a budget. Until next time, my friends, stay creative.